Students, today we will do maths. Okay students, so now we have learned the lesson from page number 57. Okay, so in this the introduction and writing of 91 to 99. So this means like we have only in words 99. So for to write 100 we need to go to another steps. So that will be totally different steps. So after 99 100 comes. No, it is not 100, it is 100. 100 means 1 and 2 zeros come, that is known as 100. Okay, so here see, I will show you. Introducing 100. Learn this. What is the sum of 99 and 1? So 99 and 1, how can we write it? So 99 equal to 9 tenths and plus 9 unit. So see, 9 tenths means see, your 9 blocks are there. In 9 tenths, in one block there are 10. You have to count them. So it will become 90. And 9 units. Units means only 9 single blocks. That means unit is called 9 tenths plus 9 units is 99. Okay, so when we add 1 it becomes 100. Okay, see here, same it's shown here. There is no digit bigger than 9. So here any digits are there bigger than 9? No. So 100 is the only digit is bigger than 9. Okay, 100 means it is 2 times little bigger. So 9 is the only tens. Okay, yes, and 1 makes another 100. So 110 and 10 tenths is equal to 9 tenths and plus 1. Okay, so see, there is a bigger than 9 where there is 10 units in the units house. Make a bundle of them. So if not bundle, then make a bunch, like in one bead, in one string, draw 10 beads and count them. Do same like that into, I will give you the number and you have to count that beads in the bundle. So in one bundle 10 beads are there, so you have to count like the 10 bundles, and then you have to write equal to this much bundle. Then if you have to mention it next the amount. So like if I said one bundle is in that 10 beads are there, so 3 bundles will be 30. So 3 tenths is equal to 1 units. So you have to write 31. Okay, now there are tenths in the 10 house. Makes a big bundle of tens. Place a bundle in the house, no one left. A big bundle is known as 100. So this a big bundle is known as 100. So this is 1 0 0. 0 is nothing, value is only not there for the 0. 100 0 tenths and 0 units, so 100 is written as 100. Okay, now next lesson we will go. Okay, before going to the next lesson I will send you this how it, then you have to do it. Okay, next lesson we'll go to addition. Addition is where you have to add the numbers. Okay, so I will send some activity in that. Okay, some drawing I will send, same like that, only you have to do it. I will write the number. So student, we are learning addition up to 20. So 20 means like 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Okay, so you have to count 10 bundles plus the 3 bundles also you have to count. Then you have to put the total answer. Okay, so here is same like plus, you have to add. Add means you have to increase. So if I give you the number of 5 and there I give you number 11, so you have to count the 11 source as well as 5 source. Okay, so you have to write 9 in that. Okay, the correct answer should be mentioned. So you can see the picture, how it's shown, how many beads are drawn, and then in that extra 2 are also drawn. So you have to write the correct answer. So we will go to the story of addition. One day Yash was reading a storybook at home. When his father came, he saw Yash reading a book. He was very happy. He hugged him. Yash told, "Dad, I have already read all the 7 books." His father praised him and said, "Oh, nice, very good. Means if you read more books, you will get more knowledge." So Yash had read 7 books. Okay. From that all 7, his father was really praising him for doing good learning books. Father was so pleased that he gave 4 more books to him. So means he already finished 7 books. Plus he got more 4 books as a gift. Okay. Yash was also became happy. Now, how many books Yash have? So earlier he read 7 books, and now he got 4 books. So you have to count 7 and plus is equal to, this is the answer. So how many books did Yash have before? He had 7 books. How many books did his father give to Yash as a gift? 4. So now you have to write the total. You have to count and write the total. Okay. So now we'll go to the next lecture. See how it's shown. Lecture is same only, but it's shown something different here. See, you can see. Then this is the homework. You have to do it. I will not do and send it to you. This you have to do it. One I will make and send it to you. So you have to do the same thing in your notebook. Okay. Now see the patterns. Okay. See the patterns. You can see same pattern you have to write. Draw next 3 picture in order, or write next 3 numbers in order. Means either you write number or either you draw it. So better draw it. Okay. Same 3 pattern you have to do. So one pattern is this, and second pattern is it, and more 3 pattern you have to put. Okay. Same you have to do. Observe our color. So now 1, 2 and 3. Yes. For 1 you have to color this blue. For 2 you have to color pink. And 3 you have to color green. So individual. You can see 3, you have to color 3 in green color. You can see 2, you have to color the 2 in pink color. Then you can see 1, you have to color and blue color. See, the next lecture is in, out. So you have to color the below picture showing puppy in the basket. So can you see? So you have to color that puppy which is in the basket. Okay. Then there is here, color the below the picture showing man outside the car. So you can see who is standing outside the car. Okay. So broad and narrow. Broad means very broad. Narrow means small. Like very small. छोटा सा गली में घुसने के लिए भी जगह नहीं रहती, वैसे narrow. Color the box below the picture showing broad road and narrow road. Narrow brush. Narrow brush. Okay, so you can see, color the box below the picture showing broad road. you can see which is the broad and narrow. Okay, so you have to color that and color the box in the picture with narrow brush. So which is narrow brush, you have to color that. Okay. Same here, identify the shapes. So you have to identify square, triangle and circle. Count the objects of these shapes and write their number. Okay, so you have to recognize the shapes from this and you have to write it over here. So can you see how many squares are there? So you have to identify them. So this will be your homework, and same to do it in your notebook also. Long and short. So long means a long. So the object is short. The object is long. So you have to color the object which is short, and you have to color the object which is long. So see, in this which long you can see and which short you can see. So you have to color according to you know which one is long and which one is short. Okay, see here, longest and shortest. So which is the longest? Truck. So truck is the longest. Okay, which is the shortest? This car is the shortest. So you have to color them. So color the below of the longest caterpillar. So color the longest caterpillar. Don't color the truck and the car, but color the caterpillar. Now you have to see which is the shortest cube. Color the near the shortest cube. So you have to color the shortest cube. Now which is the short cube? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth cube is short. So let's start our next lesson. Let us measure. So a bed is needed for Yash cot. Yash cot means there is a bed where bed cover is needed. One is very short and another is very long. So can you see the distance? One is little bigger in broad line and one is very straight. So some bedsheet is very short for it and some are very long for it. Measure the length of the cot, then decide the measure of the bed cover. So you have to measure the bed sheet. Yash does not have a tape to measure. Let's measure the length by span. By span means by finger. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, like this. It's shown here. So now he is measuring. So now we will see how much short it is and how much long it is. So Yash measured the length has 11 span. So the length of the bed cover should be 13 span, as it is to be a little longer. Means normally he measured with his finger, it is 11 span. 11 span means 11 finger like this. Finger, see how it is shown here, like that, with 11 span he did. Usually it should be a bit longer for it. So now you have to do this on your own. Measure the distance by feet between two flower pots. So see, you have to see the distance. Now you cannot go in the picture and see, no? So see, you have to show like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 feet. Okay, 6 feet means 6 feet your legs. Guess the length of newspaper, measured it by span and write. So how much span? Span I have told you earlier. You have to measure by the finger. Okay. So we'll go to the next lesson. We'll learn something different today. Days of the week. Very interesting. So how many days make a week? Everybody knows this question. We have learned this lesson in senior KG. Okay. You must be knowing Jenny teacher used to teach you all how many days make a week. Then you should tell 7 days make a week. So we'll say now 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how many became? 7 became. So now in this days, what you all do? Monday, what game you play? Tuesday, what game you play? Wednesday, what game you play? Thursday, what game you play? Okay, it's mentioned here. So now this will be your homework, and now you have to write days of the week one time in your notebook and 5 times in your notebooks with the spelling, with like this. Question would be how many days make a week? Then answer should be 7 days make a week. Then in line 7 days should be mentioned. I will send you how to write it. So now we'll learn. Let's observe the zoo. So now you have to observe who all have went to the zoo. Zoo means is somehow about all birds, animals, then snakes, wild animals are there in the zoo. So now which animal is in the least number? Least number means normal number. So which is the largest animal, largest number? So you can see which one is the largest animal number. So largest number is 6. Okay, least number is 4. How many lions are there in the zoo? 2. Okay. How many deer are there in the zoo? 4. Which is your favorite animal of the above animals? You have to tell me which is the favorite animal above animals. Okay. Now the portion is over here. So basically now I will give you test. Okay. Now basically half portion is over. So from next week we will start the portion from first sem. Okay, first unit from the first lesson. Okay students, I will send some homeworks and then I will organize a PTA meeting in the group. So everybody should be there in the Zoom meeting, so I can speak to them, and then what are your opinions, I can listen to the final of it. Okay students, bye students, take care. Make sure you should complete your homework on time and send me on my personal number. Bye students, take care, have a happy weekend.